Hi, I'm Donna Watson with the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services, and I'm here at Mission San Luis to promote our Summer Break Spot program, where kids 18 and under can eat free and get free meals to fill the nutrition gap for summer. I'm here on behalf of Commissioner Freed, our Agriculture Commissioner, and one of her top priorities is to reduce food insecurity in the state of Florida. So for food insecurity, we want to make sure children have access to food during the summer months. Sometimes kids only get one meal a day during the school year, and it may be the National School Lunch Program or school meals, and so we want to make sure they have access. So all kids 18 and under are welcome, and meals are free at all Summer Break Spot sites. There are more than 4,000 sites in the state of Florida, and to find a site near you, visit summerbreakspot.org.
Hi, I'm Chef Paula Kendrick with the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. So we've got some awesome food, little tastings for the kids to try. We've got some refrigerator pickles made with cucumbers, and we've got a fresh corn and black-eyed pea salsa. We want to try and get kids to try new things and to be good tasters. So we also give them I tried it stickers once they've tried something new, and then we even have water over here that has watermelon, cucumber, and mint so that they can try an alternative to sodas. They can drink some things that have fresh fruit in it, help to quench their thirst, and we've got a lot of fun games and toys for the kids to play. So we're delighted to be here at Mission San Luis.
Well, I'm Secretary of State Laurel Lee, and we're here at the Mission San Luis today. We are delighted to be one of the summer break spots for the Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services lunch program. This is such a valuable service for Tallahassee families, and we welcome any families to come out and enjoy lunch this summer.